Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna try out this product. And we've been basically eating plant-based now, and so today is our cheat day and I'm gonna try and trick them in thinking this is gonna be meat. Now we're gonna try these burgers. This is my brother Boho.
Hello.
And Abel.
Hi, I'm Abel, and I'm able to eat this burger.
Hi, my name is Boho, and I'm thankful for this hob.
Okay, let's try it.
Crunchy. It's tough, but soft in the inside.
It's tough? It's tough!
What is this juice?
Iced tea.
Oh, well made.
What is this kind of meat?
Beef.
Beef. Looks different.
Oh, this is not meat. It tastes like meat.
It's vegan meat.
Aha! Bombe.
Yeah. I guess success.
Success.
Where can I order this?
Kids.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep eating. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Suck cheese.